Hey guys, welcome back to Hoyist.com. This is New the Founder and CEO. So I have started a playlist in which I will try my best to teach you how you can start a successful hosting business. Before getting started, I just want to walk you through with our reseller hosting services. If you go for our reseller hosting, we are starting and just if you scroll down, we are starting at just $4.99 per month. We are offering 50 client account, unlimited NVMe, 4 GB of RAM, unlimited email accounts. Nodes are unlimited. Like suppose if you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering unlimited inodes, and 4 GB RAM is also an add-on at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other web hosting provider, they are not offering 4 GB RAM. Okay. Then next is we are offering 3-month discount on 2 or 3 year purchase. If you go for 2 or 3 year billing, your 3 months will be free of cost. Okay. Like suppose you will get an extra 3-month discount. Okay. Next we are offering free domain name. And if you go for next our reseller hosting, we are offering free WordPress manager, free website builder, free cPanel Lightspeed is also free, email filtering, SSL certificate, auto SSL, and all SSL certificates are free. Okay. We offer free malware protection. We offer free website migration. If you have hosted you are hosted already at any other reseller hosting provider and you want to migrate at Hoyist.com, you can just open a customer support ticket with us after purchasing the plan, and we will migrate your whole reseller hosting accounts, okay, as per our terms and conditions. Next is we are offering optimized WooCommerce. Now this is a feature at Hoyist.com that 99.99% reseller hosting provider don't offer. Okay, we offer free WP toolkit and our servers are completely optimized. Like if you want to offer your client subcategory web hosting such as WordPress hosting, WooCommerce hosting, you can offer them with the WP toolkit add-on. Like if you go for any other reseller hosting provider, for example, Namecheap, if you go for WordPress, if you go for Name Hero, ChemiCloud, or any other reseller hosting provider, they are charging, they don't offer WP add-on, WP toolkit add-on. Okay, if still they are offering it as an add-on, and they charge about $5 to $9 per month to add this add-on into your reseller hosting. Okay. Next is we offer developer-friendly reseller hosting like SSH access is enabled, Git support, Bash, Terminal, Laravel, Ruby, Python, Node.js, Django, MongoDB. Like if you and on-demand backups is another feature at Hoyist.com. If you go for any other reseller hosting product, on-demand backups are not available. 99% of web hosting product don't do offer on-demand backups, but we offer on-demand backups as per our terms and condition. You have to follow just them. Okay. Next, we offer resources usage, the report, Ruby version selector, PHP workers, which are cron jobs. They are available and unlimited. Okay. Next is 99.9% uptime, multiple PHP versions, auto SSL certificates, 24/7 server monitoring. Like these features are not available at Hoist any other reseller hosting product, but at Hoist we are offering this feature as a free feature. Okay. This is a guarantee. If you go for any other reseller hosting provider, they are not offering. A few are offering, but they are offering this as a paid add-on. Okay, like if you want to offer your client Node.js web hosting is separate category like Node.js hosting, Ruby hosting, Python hosting. If you scroll down with to our my menu in our to the footer menu, you can see here we are offering also subcategorized web hosting. The internet reseller web hosting is another web hosting. Radio hosting is another hosting type or category. If you want to purchase those, we do offer internet reseller hosting, but for right now we are on let's come to our point. Next is we offer a reseller hosting advanced plan at just $10 with 200 client account. Agency and business plan come with limited client account, and agency plan come with the 500 client account. Now we are offering 4 GB of RAM and free domain name. Now this is a guarantee. If you go for any other web hosting, they will not offer you a free domain name with this pricing structure. And if you go for monthly basis, still I'm saying their pricing will be double. Like they will be offering 10 to $20 to $30 per month on a monthly basis. Okay, but if you go for Hoyist.com with monthly basis, your domain, your billing will be same. And if you go for yearly or 2 or 3 year billing, system, your domain name will be free. Okay. So I would suggest you to look our, check our reseller hosting plan. If you haven't choose any other reseller hosting product, and if you choose and you are stuck with that reseller hosting product and you want to migrate, just visit our website and you can open customer support ticket. And right now we have a WhatsApp customer support also available on, you can use this icon to access our WhatsApp customer support. Maybe this customer support come to an end within a month, 2 months or 3, I don't know, but right now we have free WhatsApp support customer support available. Okay, So let's get started with our video's topic. Now let's get started. On today's video, we are going to see how you can add shared hosting or web hosting products in your WHMCS. So let's get started. Now the first step, guys, we have to log in into our client area. Now I'm logged into my client area and Hoyist.com. Let's log in into our WHM. Now we will follow this procedure in on the two sides. The first thing which we will do is we will create a package in our WHM, and the second I'll create a product here. Okay. So let's go our login into our WHM. In my WHM, I already created an account, a package in my WHM. Just click on this option, product and services. Here you can see these are the products. Those are actually created when we set up WHMCS marketplace. These all products are created automatically. Okay. Now we are going to see how you can create a product. The first thing you have to go and create a product here, group here. Now if you are going to offer the, if you are working with our reseller hosting is basically the cloud-based web hosting. So you can name it two options. The first option is web hosting and second is cloud hosting. Okay. You can name this group as cloud hosting or web hosting. You can't name this as shared hosting because the reason is this is not shared hosting. Shared hosting means a server without cloud Linux. Okay. If a cPanel hosting provider is not using cloud Linux on their server, this is that is shared hosting. But when somebody is using cloud Linux, this is basically then web hosting or cloud host, because by using cloud Linux, it dedicates the resources to the client. So it means this is cloud or web hosting. Okay, I'm going to name this web hosting. Okay, so let's remove it and just save this. You can check the basically these are the order forms, but these are not required. At the end of this course, I'll install about 2 to 3 things on our WHMCS. So leave this as it is. Okay, now I save the changes. Okay, let's come back. You might be thinking of this feature right now here. If I go here and you might be thinking, what is this? If I go here and I just go for best hosting. Now as you might be thinking of this feature, let me tell you how this works. If I just add it here and if I save it and if I go on the product page, or in the XYZ and then store page. On the store page, if I go here on the web hosting product, actually the products are not created right now. That's why it's not visible. So let's get back and I'll tell you that how this works. Okay, let's go back and let's create a product now. Now our primary your product is on the edge. Let's move it to top. I move this on the top of this page. Let's reload this page. Now let's see where you can create a product in this row. Just click on this plus product, click button. And here you have to provide the name of the server. Make sure to check shared hosting option. WHMCS by default use same configuration for cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, web hosting, shared hosting. Okay, so make sure to check this up. Select here your product group. If you are going to offer a WordPress hosting in a separate category or WooCommerce hosting, create a new group and name it WordPress hosting or the unique category you want to offer. I'll name now. The next is name the package. Okay. Like if you want to name this package as starter package, name it like this. Okay, I'll tell you in the next few videos on how you can set up reseller, master and add reseller hosting. Now just click it as create as hidden. Now uncheck this option, then just click on this continue. Okay. Now guys, we are on the product basic configuration page. Here you can set up a basic description. Here you can set up a product description. Then these are the all options. Now the first thing here you see, this is a basically tagline. I will not suggest you to go for it. Same this. If you're going to offer as product cross selling, you can use it, but I'll not. Okay. Product description. Now if you want to write a description, I'll go for here one website. Subdomain 3 India 15 HTORAG. Now guys, I have done this basic configuration, but I'll see you this look bad if I save the changes. And if I say the changes and reload this page right now here you can see these are the listed like this. Okay, let's suppose you want to bold this. Like if you want to bold the first element here, what you can use right now here is go ahead and use B, which is bold tag, and then again B, close tag, and then B. Okay, if I save here now and if I reload this page again, here you can see this is using basically bold tag. Okay, I don't know the reason why it's not using, but it should be using. The reason is this is basically using BR tag. Okay, let's reload the page and here you can see this is not right now bold. Okay, the same way you can bold it, but I'll not because it's not required actually. But when you are setting up a hosting company, make sure to add these. Okay, you can provide the other configuration like 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, or anything. Okay, you can set up the product color, but I'll not because this is of no use case. Okay, now the next is product welcome email. This is a welcome email. As soon you client sign up and their product is activated, the service is activated, this email will send to your client. Okay, now next is apply text. Make sure to check this up. If you will not check this up, there is no issue what may be possible in after future when you want to apply the text. If you will check this right now, in future whenever you want to apply the text, you can. Okay, then the next is featured. Okay, if I check this featured option here and I reload this, I don't know this template works. If I check here, the actual issue, this is not at all, this feature doesn't work in the themes, but with other themes there will be an option appeared here with the name of most popular or featured. Although more, and the next is hidden. If you will check this hidden and I reload this page here, you can see there are no products, but I'll not suggest you this again. A retire mean this product is not retired, nobody want to use it, so do it. Then the next is if you want to set up the product, like if you want to charge the fee for the one time, you like $100 for lifetime, you can go for it, but I'll go for recurring. And same if you go for only checking up here monthly basis, your client will not be able to, it will be, on monthly basis. So go for at least two billing. Okay, I'll go for 1 month and then 1 year. Okay, let's go for $1 for the 1 month and $12 for the 12 months. Okay, if I reload this page, here you can see it costs about $1, and if I click on the order page, here we have to select the domain name. Okay, we haven't configured the domain name right now. As soon as I'll configure the domain name in the next videos, you will see how this works. Okay, now the next is allow multiple quantities. This will be basically if you are going to offer VPA services, then check this up. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Then leave it as it is. Make sure to check this option, use product specific configuration, and make sure. Now what does this mean? Your client will be able to renew their web hosting at the time when they want, anytime. Okay, so I'll check this up. Okay, then the next is module setting. You have to basically select here your server. I'll go for selecting a cPanel, and from cPanel I'll select my server group here that we created in the last video. Just click and save the button, and here we will select the WHM package. Now if you don't know how to create a package, you can watch my last video. If I go to my WHM session package, and if I go on the edit package button, I already added the package, so I'll show you what I configured in this package. I configured about 50 GB of storage with 3 email accounts, allowing the 2 subdomain names, 3 SQL databases, SQL databases, 3 email account, and the same I applied. Okay, I'll go for 124 MB of email quota usage, which is 1 GB. Okay, you can select it. And the next thing, if you want to automate everything, go and check this option, automatically set the product as the first payment is received. As soon your client pay the amount, their product will be automatically updated. Okay, now the next is custom field. Leave it as it is. There is no use of this custom field if you are not going for as a pro. Configurable option. I'll create another video in configuration. Leave it as it is. Okay, then the next is upgrades. If you want to offer upgrade, go ahead, but I'll not because this plan is not. Okay, if you want to offer a free domain name, we don't have any free domain name. Let's suppose I add a free domain name and I want to offer this free domain name with this package. Okay, I'll add this free domain name for you guys to actually give you the basic understanding. Okay, let's go for domain pricing page, guys. Let's go on the domain pricing page, and I'll add here a domain name.com, and make sure to provide the pricing of the domain name. I'll go for $10. I'll go for $20. I'll again 20, and again 20, and save the changes. And on this page, this domain name is now added already, and if I reload this page, I'll go for here DNS management, email forwarding, ID protection, email. I'll go for configurable option. Make sure to check this up here. Save changes. Go ahead and save it. And if I reload it on the free domain name page, if I reload it, I want to offer free domain name. I'll go for this free domain name on the yearly purchase or 3-year purchase. I'll go for annual. And if you check this option, this means the client will not be able to renew. They have to renew this domain name as their own. They have to renew their own basis. Like you are going to offer domain name for only first year, then they have to renew their domain name as a paid. Okay. If you check this option, the domain name will be free. This the third option. The domain name will be free unless they renew the hosting on the bidding section you have selected. Okay. If I go here on the package page and the order now button, you can see here free domain name registration apply on .com only. I text a search here, and if I suggest continue here, guys, I continue here, and if I go on this page here, you can see the billing. Okay. somebody want to check this billing, they can, and these are the add-ons that we set up by using Market Connect. Okay, if you want to go for click here, leave it as it is. Okay, this is how you can set this up. And if I go for continue button, here you can set up these are the basically domain add-on. If somebody want to add this, they can add continue. And here is the checkout page. Okay, this is checkout, and then if I go here, this is basically the checkout page. Okay, this is how you can set up a web hosting, shared hosting, or cloud hosting product. And these are the basic setting. If you go for affiliate setup, you can go. I'll suggest you to check this option. This is the basic URL of your WHMCS. You can use it. This is how, guys, you can set up a product in your WHMCS. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can add as much products you can. And like if you want to go for offering 5 plans in your shared hosting, you can add this. If you want to go for 2 plan, 3 plan, 4 plan, you can follow this up. This is how the total step works. And thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.